Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use Chamfer command. Let's start. For using Chamfer command, we have to type in the command CHA. You will see Chamfer is there. Select this one, and when you it's showing first line whatever here. First is undo, poly, and distance. We will go by distance first. I type D here, so I want a distance. My first chamfer distance, let's say I give 40 and second one also 40. Now we will select here. You see it is not trim by this command because we have to set this one. Again we will type chamfer, CHA chamfer. Now we have to type T, enter. Here is trim and non-trim. So we have to type T for trim. This is very crucial. I put T here. Now again I use this command. Voila. So this is the chamfer command by distance. You can give two different distance also if you need. Let's try chamfer, then type D distance. My first distance is 40, remain as it is. Second one I will give 60. Now I select this line first, it should be 40 and this line should be 60. You see the clear difference. So you can give two different distance in distance command. We will try second option, chamfer. Now we will go by angle. I type angle A. I need a distance 45 first, 45 second. I select this one here. It is 45 distance, equal distance. So by angle also you can chamfer. Again chamfer. There is option one multiple. I put M. Multiple you can select one time here. No need to give a command here. See, multiple time you can use this chamfer command in number of objects is more in your drawing. There is one more here in the chamfer. It's M method. So I will type E here. When you will type here, it will ask you which one you want to use, either distance or angle. Let's say I want a distance one. I type D. It choose a distance one. Again, now we will try another one. I put E. It's asked put. Now it's angle. You can use angle one also. Angle. Select here. This angle is 45. Previously we select the distance first line 40 and second line 60. So this is that one. And second time when we gave the angle was 45 45. So by typing this one E method, it will pick from your previous instruction you gave to the AutoCAD. Hope you understand this one. If you do, if you have any comment, please do comment below. I will try to help you. Thanks.